Hello, this is a slightly impromptu Fix It Friday video because, Fanny's died. Now, for those of you who don't know, Fanny is our Moosoo vacuum robot vacuum, however you want to say it. And she's an integral part of this home because quite often, each morning and sometimes in the evening, I just send her off around the ground floor of the house and let her pick up the debris that has been created throughout the day, but she's not having any of it this morning, so let me show you what's happening. Let's turn her on. Sounds okay, it's not making like a banging noise like it did in the previous video that I did on this. Seems to be behaving.
Roller brush stuck.
There we go.
Roller brush stuck.
Roller brush stuck is what she's saying.
Stuck.
So she's saying her roller brush is stuck, and I've actually just had a quick look and there was some hair blocking it, and it's just still doing the same thing. So obviously there's something going wrong inside Fanny. So I think what we need to do is go up to the blue mat and take her apart and see what's what. It might be the same issue as it was before in the previous video, where basically there was a load of hair wrapped around the roller motor. We will see. Right, okay, well, we've got Fanny on the mat and we'll take all the screws out and have a little look-see. Yeah, I mean, there is a bit of dust around the roller blade, but there's nothing there stopping it. I did give it a good clean. Now, I have taken the dust container off this because, you know, thought that made sense whether I was turning it upside down. I don't know if I need to take the wheel assemblies off. I can't remember. But let's get this unscrewed and we'll see what's going on. I seem to remember this has got a lot of screws. Yeah, Fanny does get a surprising amount of use. I'm really quite a big fan of hers, especially now we've got sort of laminate flooring throughout and it's all fairly open. She just breezes through. It's really cool. So I definitely recommend these. Fanny's done extremely well. Right, the battery is out. While I'm unscrewing this, I just thought I'd say a big thank you to all of those who've joined the channel. It's really kind of you. Special shout out to David for his continued support. Ellis and Becky also need a special shout out too. This mat has only just recovered from the filth that the Dyson left behind. And I dismantled that. If you want to go and check out that video, I'll put a link to it in the corner. Because I have taken this apart before, there was actually some black goo. I've removed the black goo. So if you've not taken yours apart before, you might find there's black goo holding these connectors in. Bumper bar at the front needs to come off. It really feels like the whole, like every single screw has got to come out of this. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Now this is the roller brush motor. and it is held in with one screw. And it's also got a power connector here. Let's wiggle that out. There we go. Yeah. I don't think all that's meant to be there. But the thing is, you can't actually see any of this dirt without the machine being completely dismantled. And I think that's a bit of a design flaw. I don't think dirt should be getting this far into the machine, really. Ah, because look, there's the belt. That there is the belt, and it is just absolutely covered in crud. So that's why the roller brush was getting stuck. Okay, let's unscrew it and see what we've got inside. See, I don't think the belt actually really needs to be revealed here. Surely it just needs some sort of sheathing, like, to cover it. And that would just stop the crap getting in there. Okay, it's becoming very apparent why the roller brush was stuck. There you go. Yeah, I really do believe this should be like a sealed unit. Because look, just look at the rubbish that gets in there. Yeah, that is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I did notice it hasn't been picking up as well recently, and this is probably why. Right, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stop the remote and just take this outside for a proper cleaning and maybe give it a blast with some compressed air and get the worst of it off. So I'm just going to end up covering this mat with even more rubbish. I mean, actually last time, I don't think it was this bad. Because it wasn't actually saying the roller brush was stuck last time when I did this, it was just making this horrible flapping, cracking noise. But this is obviously much worse, to the point where it's stopping the roller brush. Okay, well, I've given everything a good clean and it's looking a lot better. Let me show you. So yeah, that is the motor assembly. Certainly a lot less hair and grime. Now I was thinking about it while I was cleaning. If I was smarter, you could probably fabricate some kind of 3D printed cover for this, but I don't have a 3D printer and I'm not all that clever, so I can't, but you know. I think that flaw does put a lot of unnecessary strain on the motor, because if that were completely captive, then the dust wouldn't be able to get in there. But anyway, so got to reassemble this and make it look better. So I think what I'm going to do is, just because you don't need to watch me doing lots of screws, then yeah, I'll crack on with this and we'll see what the result is. Hopefully Fanny will be better. Okay, well, Fanny is all clean and reassembled. It's sort of all gone okay. Now I thought what I'd do is I'd test it out on the carpet we've got upstairs, because that will put the roller brush under more pressure than it was before. So hopefully this should show that what we've done has fixed it. That's the idea anyway. Let's see if she turns on. Oh, hang on, we might have to hold the power button because she's been off for a while. There we go.
Welcome to use Moosoo Robot Vacuum Cleaner.
Okay, let's start her.
Auto cleaning.
Yes, look at her go. Well, she's been going longer than she had been. Oh, she's going to crash into me. Oh no, is she not? No. There we go. I think that is Fanny fixed. Yeah, she's definitely going for longer than she was before. That is amazing. I'm so happy. So there you go. It's a very badly designed brush motor unit that just lets all the dirt in and blocks it up. So yeah, you should be very well aware of that if you've got one of these robot vacuums. Well, that is it from me on this Fix It Friday. Before I go, I just want to say thank you so much for all your comments and help with the sound bar. I'm going to be looking at that again very soon, especially now I've got the Kaiweets multimeter. That will help me test things out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But for now, from me and Fanny, it's game over.